Today we're shopping for my next room makeover, which is going to be the guest room. I wanted to transform it into this like French country kind of a vintage room, so I'm really excited about it. So here are the things that I am still on the hunt for. We went to the flea market, couldn't find any of them, so today we're gonna see if we can find these at some local antique shops. All right, so I got the chandelier in the mail that I ordered. With this room, I really wanted to have like a statement piece for the light, which I was really excited to get something vintage because I just feel like vintage chandeliers are so beautiful. But I couldn't find one at the flea market I went to. So I ended up, and I searched like on Facebook Marketplace, stuff like that. Couldn't find one. So I ordered one online, which I'm excited. Oh my gosh. It's like completely apart. So I'm gonna have to put it together. So I'm gonna put this together and see how it is. I'm assuming these are the jewels, but oh my gosh. There are like tons of these. Okay, so here's the deal. I just looked at the picture again. And when I looked at the picture, I don't think I explained this before, but they had a silver one and then they also had a gold version of it. So like this would be gold. It's actually rose gold. So this would be rose gold. This would be rose gold. Like this little point on it would be rose gold. I wanted that one, but it was like almost $100 more. And now I just went on and it's majorly on sale. So it would only be, I think, like $40 more than I paid for this one. So I feel like I should return this one because I am not thinking this is the vibe I'm going for. I think I'm going to return this one, but today go to the antique shop, see if I can find one that is old and looks good. And hopefully it's working. Because I feel like that's honestly just what I want. I don't think I even want this one in gold, but I guess if that's my last hope, I will go with that. But I feel like maybe I could find something at the shop. Fingers crossed. Actually back at that antique shop. It's like a barn kind of a thing called Hoffmans. I showed you guys this place in the greenhouse video. This is where I got all the windows. When I was editing that video, there was like this beautiful wall sconce that I saw that I had picked up. I showed you guys and I didn't get it, but it was so many months ago. So I don't even know if it's going to be here, but I feel like it would be really pretty in that room. And it looked like it was one that just plugs in, so I wouldn't need to like hardwire it in or anything. So we're going to see if they have that. And if they don't have it, it's okay. But I'm also going to see if they have a chandelier here, since the one that I opened up this morning, I don't think it's going to work out. So let's go see what they have. You guys, it's still here. Oh my gosh. Should I get it? I feel like I have to if it's still here. Yes. That was such a success. I did not think that was gonna happen. So we went inside and you guys saw I found this. It was $46, which is probably a little bit more than I wanted to spend, but I do feel like it's so beautiful and will fit the room really well. So I just bit the bullet and I did it. And then for the light for the room, I don't know how I feel about this. It's a beautiful light and it was only $36. Let's see, I'll put you down here. They put it in this box for me. So here is what it looks like. And then this is the top piece that will sit on the ceiling. So I feel like it's really beautiful and just so pretty. I just don't know if it's gonna be too small for the room. Like, I feel like this would be really pretty, like swagged. Anytime I hear an ambulance or a fire truck, I always cry. My sister told me that when I was little, and just want to tell you guys so you guys do it too. But anyway, I feel like this would look really good, like swagged over a desk or something like that. So I don't know how it's gonna look as the main chandelier, but I think it might work. And that was $36. When I got up to the register, the woman was like, oh my gosh, this is so dirty. She's like, let me take $2 off for you. And I was like, oh, okay. Because I mean, it's not really a big deal that it has dust on it to me. I was just gonna clean it up anyway. But that was really sweet of her to take $2 off for the dust. That one was actually way cheaper than the one I found on Amazon originally. So I feel like that's a really good deal. I'm so excited. Hopefully, maybe I should put these in the back seat so that they don't, I'm just nervous they're gonna like fly all over in the car back here. Let me go tuck them in somewhere. Maybe I should get the scrub mommy for this. Now we are about to have the moment of truth. Does this work? I'm so nervous that it's not gonna work. I was gonna ask them at the antique shop if it worked or if they could test it for me, but I just completely forgot to do that, which was very silly of me. So hopefully this works. If it doesn't work, we can still just use it as a decor. Oh my gosh, it works. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So I guess off, on. Yes. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. I feel like it's 10 times, sorry, Connor's truck is the most loud, obnoxious thing ever. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. If you guys watched me shopping at the flea market, you guys saw I was looking for a brass headboard, and I couldn't find one, except I found one that was only a size double. I need a queen. So on Facebook Marketplace, I found one that was a queen headboard, brass. It was only 40 bucks. So I was so excited. I met up with the girl, and she pulls this out of her car first. And as soon as I saw this, I was like, this is not an antique brass bed. This is like a new bed headboard trying to look old. So I was like, oh man, this kind of sucks. But I decided to just get it anyway. Here is what it looks like. So you can see it like looks like it was painted, and then like someone did like a little sponge painting over it to make it look old. It might just be how the factory made it. And again, I think it's really beautiful. I like the details on it, and I don't mind that it's not actually old, but I guess it's just different from what I thought, which is okay. So as you guys can see, I found a few of the things I needed. There was a couple things like the mirror and fireplace mantle that I couldn't find, but the room is turning out beautifully so far. The next video you guys will see the full makeover, so stay tuned for that.